Frequently discussed is self-directed neuroplasticity, which emphasizes our potential to guide the transformation of our brains. We can help promote the neurological changes required for the manifestation of our preferred future by concentrating our attention and purpose toward a clear vision of that future. Our emotions and thoughts have a direct influence on the physical structure of our brains. When we continuously focus on specific thoughts and emotions, we build brain connections associated with those thoughts. This neuronal remodeling has a significant impact on our sense of reality and the decisions we make. We're essentially generating mental models when we think about our dreams, desires, and goals. These mental blueprints are encoded in the neural networks of our brain. The more we reinforce these patterns with intention and emotional energy, the more probable it is that they will manifest as real acts and outcomes. In this process, emotions act as potent catalysts. They are the spark that propels our ideas and aspirations into action. Consider the following. When you only think about your dreams, the mental image may not have enough energy to manifest in the physical world. However, infusing those thoughts with strong, happy emotions increases their creative potential. As a result, this emotional charge not only increases your focus and drive, but it also provides a clear signal to your brain that these thoughts are important. Your brain becomes more sensitive to opportunities and possibilities that coincide with your desires. In essence, your thoughts and emotions interact to produce a resonance field that attracts similar experiences and circumstances into your life. While the power of thoughts and emotions is clearly transforming, the issue remains as to why so many people struggle to effectively actualize their ambitions. One of the most major obstacles is our deeply embedded belief systems. Many of us have limiting ideas that have developed through time as a result of enlightenment and past experiences. These beliefs function as subconscious obstacles, preventing us from aligning our thoughts, emotions, and dreams. When our beliefs are at conflict with our wants, we experience resistance, making it difficult to achieve our goals. A persistent and sustained attention on our dreams, together with the necessary emotional intensity, is required for manifestation. The responsibilities and distractions of daily life, however, can break this constancy. Maintaining a high emotional state and maintaining a laser-like focus can be difficult, especially when faced with failures or external challenges. In today's fast-paced world, instant pleasure is the norm. When they do not see instant results in manifesting their goals, many people become discouraged. Individuals can get paralyzed by the thought of failure or going into the unknown, stopping them from taking the required efforts to materialize their dreams. Fear-based thinking frequently sets off a chain reaction of unpleasant feelings, supporting the perception that their ambitions are impossible. Preparing is the first step on the path to manifestation. Intentions that are clear and precise determine what you desire to manifest. The more specific your intentions, the more precise the instructions you give to your subconscious mind. Visualization and meditation are also effective strategies for increasing the manifestation process. Meditation allows you to achieve inner peace and increased awareness. Visualize your desired outcome while feeling related good emotions while in this state. You are reassembling your brain and sending your intentions to the quantum field as you do this on a regular basis. The neural pathways associated with your aspirations are strengthened when you repeat your intentions and visualizations. By engaging yourself in the emotions of your created reality on a regular basis, you make it easier for your subconscious mind to accept and act on your goals. While it is necessary to be clear and focused on your intentions, it is also necessary to let go of the impulse to control every part of the manifestation process. So have faith that the quantum field, the universe, or a higher intellect will act in your favor. Give up control while remaining confident in the process. Develop a daily gratitude and mindfulness practice. Appreciate what you have and the manifestations that are on their way. Mindfulness makes you present and aware of your thoughts and emotions, allowing you to make adjustments as needed. When your actions are in sync with your intentions, you close the gap between your existing reality and the one you would like to establish. After you've established your aims, it's necessary to immerse yourself in the corresponding feelings, as if your desires have already manifested. This is where the magic takes place. Consider how much joy, gratitude, love, and fulfillment you would experience if your desires become a reality right now. Imagine yourself living that life, going through those emotions and interacting with your emerged world. Visualizing involves seeing images and scenarios related with your stated goals in the back of your mind. Visualize the colors, forms, and features in great detail. Make the mental images as clear and sharp as possible, whether it's envisioning yourself in a new home, a great job, or a fulfilling relationship. Activate your hearing by visualizing the sounds and voices associated with your preferred reality. For example, if you want to be a successful musician, imagine yourself performing in front of a roaring crowd or hearing applause and favorable feedback from your audience. The sound of your accomplishment might be a strong emotional trigger. Feeling the textures, temperatures, and sensations connected with your chosen reality is what engaging your sense of touch entails. If you want to visit a tropical paradise, picture the warm sand beneath your feet, the cool ocean air on your skin, and the feeling of relaxation and happiness as you soak up the sun. Imagining the smells and aromas connected with your ideal experiences will help you activate your sense of smell. If you want to live in a lovely country getaway, imagine the perfume of fresh flowers, pine trees, or any other fragrances that take you there. This approach relies heavily on strong emotions. As you engage yourself in your chosen world, you develop sentiments of joy, gratitude, love, and excitement. While it is important to visualize your future objectives, keep in mind that the power resides in the current moment. Do you have thoughts or feelings of skepticism, fear, unworthiness, or disbelief when you think about your desires? Take some time to understand the sources of your uncertainty and resistance once you've discovered them. These feelings are frequently triggered by past events, conditioning, or limiting beliefs. You may begin to treat them more effectively if you understand where they come from. During this process, it is critical to approach yourself with self-compassion. Recognize that doubt and rejection are normal human emotions and that having moments of uncertainty is normal. As you move through these feelings, be gentle and compassionate with yourself. Trust is an important aspect of overcoming doubt and resistance. Believe that the universe is always on your side and that your intentions are being heard. This method uses quantum physics principles and the fundamental power of your subconscious mind in order to actively co-create the reality you desire. Your mind is a powerful tool, and that your emotions are the fuel that can turn your goals into reality. You have the ability to create the life you want by regularly matching your thoughts and feelings with your aspirations. If you found this video useful, please consider sharing it with others who could benefit from these insights. Thank you for being a part of our community. We look forward to giving you more transformational content in the future. Until next time, be motivated and continue to create the life you deserve.